All right, we got some breaking news that's coming in right now on the broadcast. Just days after the infrastructure failure at the Delhi airport, the government has now responded in the parliament on the T1 roof collapse. The centre has clearly pointed out that a high-level panel has been formed to probe the incident. The government has said that airport operators have been ordered to conduct an audit. My colleague Akansha joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Akansha, this is now the government reacting to the infrastructure failure at the airport. But the bigger question is, this seems to be a systematic failure because it's not just the Delhi airport where we saw such a collapse. It was at multiple airports across the nation.
Well, that's right. Similar incident also took place in Jabalpur just a day before this incident that took place, where a portion of a roof at Terminal 1 of the Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport, in fact, collapsed on cars under heavy rainfall and winds, and that killed one person and injured, in fact, nine others. Now, this regarding this, Raghav Chadha, who is the Aam Aadmi Party MP, asked a question in Rajya Sabha asking whether the government is aware of the failure in airport infra maintenance which led to this incident, and also details about the safety audits, to which Murlidhar Mohol, who is the MOS of civil aviation, he has replied saying that compensation of 20 lakh has been provided to the family. Of the deceased, 3 lakh have been given to the 9 people who have received injuries. And other than that, what the ministry has revealed is that they have constituted a high level expert committee which consists of engineers from IIT Delhi to assess actually what led to this incident at Delhi T1. And from what we're getting to know is that they had sought time for 1 month to submit their report, and it is expected that this report will be submitted shortly by the engineers of IIT Delhi. Other than that, the ministry has revealed that all the airport operators have been directed to carry out a thorough evaluation of all the aspects of the building, that is T1 of the IGI airport, including its design, specification, and whether or not the structure is safe. That all will be assessed by the airport operators. And regarding that, also the report will be submitted to the ministry soon. So, on a question by Raghav Chadha, Aam Aadmi Party MP, this is what the ministry has replied.